Powering the growth of EDFA modules, we deliver precision-engineered optical components trusted by industry leaders. Top PD, accurate monitoring with high integration mini VOA, ultra-compact variable optical attenuator for precise power control. Isolator, WDM Hybrid, space-saving, low-insertion-loss, highly integrated solution. Why choose US? With 5 million units per month and Faraday Takar isolators lag the market and ensure EDFA module stability. From cutting, ultrasonic cleaning, automatic assembly to precision sorting ensuring consistency, reliability, and high throughput. Backed by 20+ years in fiber optics, we lead in innovation and are trusted by top industry players. Enhance your EDFA module with Glsun optical solution.